Lost for words? Probably not. Love's a good story, crazy for a magical metaphor, a dramatic pause. This is much more like it and describes my communication theme to a T. I love to take dry ideas and static events and bring them vividly to life through words. I bring attention and focus to messages by captivating people and helping them get attached to everything that they hear. The power of words fascinates me. I find I can really hear words, phrases, or sticking points that are, just shinier. I describe it as mining for gold, the messages that people will really hear. I love to translate complicated messages into digestible sound bites. Let's be honest, attention spans aren't big, and we are bombarded with information. Very little survives, and I want mine to stick. But it's not just my ability to connect through powerful stories. I also truly understand the value of deeply listening, being totally present, watching for social cues, becoming really comfortable with the silent moments that lead to understanding. When people really hear what is being said, it provides clarity and will often inspire them to act. I'm energized when a quality message links to progress, the adoption of an idea, the buy-in that is created through a powerful delivery. Coco Chanel famously said, "Before you leave the house, look in the mirror and take one thing off." The same can be said for me. At times, I find myself going off on a tangent, losing the point of the story, taking too long to get to the important point. I need to remind myself that sometimes the simple and succinct message is the most impactful. Just because I have a natural talent to find the right words does not mean I always need to use them. Finishing other sentences, interrupting, and generally taking over a conversation leads to frustration in others and the perception of being a poor listener. Taking responsibility for when and how I express myself is how I harness this talent for impact. My communication talent allows me to find the words not only for my own thoughts and feelings, but the thoughts and feelings of others. You can count on me to take the dry, the boring, or the mediocre and bring it to life through story.